Meet the HelloBaby HB6081 Baby Monitor, offering parents peace of mind with a clear 5.5-inch display, remote pan-tilt zoom camera, night vision, and two-way audio for reliable baby monitoring day and night. What's in the box? In the box, you will find the HelloBaby HB6081 Baby Monitor, parent unit, camera unit, power adapter, wall mounting kit, and user manual. Product overview. How to use? The HelloBaby Monitor is simple to use. Hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on or off, use two-way talk to comfort your baby, zoom in for a closer view, and adjust the volume or screen brightness with dedicated controls. You can remotely pan and tilt the camera, play soothing lullabies, add multiple cameras with split-screen viewing, enable eco mode to save power, set feeding reminders, monitor room temperature, customize language, night light, date and time, alarm volume, and other settings for a personalized monitoring experience. Smart features? Enjoy a sharp, clear live view on the 5.5-inch HD display with a remote pan, tilt, and zoom camera. The wide-angle coverage helps you monitor every corner of your baby's room with ease. The 2.4 GHz FHSS wireless technology provides a private, interference-free connection with no Wi-Fi or apps required. Enjoy a stable signal with a range of up to 1,000 feet in open areas. The built-in 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery provides extended monitoring on a single charge. Its power-saving eco mode helps maximize battery life for reliable all-day and overnight use. Automatic infrared night vision keeps your baby clearly visible, even in the dark. The built-in night light and soothing lullabies help create a calm and comfortable sleep environment. Stay connected with your baby using the built-in two-way audio. Hear every sound clearly and comfort your little one with your voice from anywhere in your home. Specifications. Safety precautions. FAQs. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your HelloBaby HB6081 Baby Monitor. See you at the next one.